thought, its vision, its objective is different. Now Dosha Nivaran is coming and helping fulfill both objectives and visions through the app, through the Dosha Nivaran idea. So that is the power of Dosha Nivaran. And
whatever assignments, POCs, projects you are working, be serious, be committed, don't waste your time.
Coding Tutor మిమ్మల్ని డిప్లాయ్ చేస్తాము, మాది బాధ్యత అని చెప్పాము. అందులో భాగంగా ఇంతమంది రీసోర్స్ మీరు చూస్తున్నారు.
మనం ఇంకా ప్రొడక్ట్స్ తీసుకొస్తున్నాం. మనం ఎవరి మీద డిపెండ్ కావాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. మన ప్రొడక్ట్స్ మనం బిల్డ్ చేసుకున్నాం. వరల్డ్ వైడ్ మన ప్రొడక్ట్స్ని మనం ఫేమస్ చేసుకోవాలంటే మీరందరూ కూడా దానికి హెల్ప్ చేయాలి.
Really, I'm really grateful or proud that one application has made these many people employable.
As a coding tutor, as a team, we are very proud, and as an individual, I am very proud today. And the seeing this as a celebration, this is really immense pleasure for all of us. Now, this is what happens here, the magic.
Are lot of features that are going to come into the app. So all those people who are going to work, who already worked, which is in phase 2, 5 languages in phase 3. So total three phases. One phase we have, phase 1 we have done. Now phase 2, phase 3 we are going to work. Phase 2 is got huge.
Yeah.